Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out the flight status on the Jazeera Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the flight status button in the middle of the screen, and you can search by two options. So you can either search by the flight number or route. So if you select the flight number, tap on the first button and then type in the flight number and click on the search button down below in order to check out the flight status. And you will be able to check out the relevant information here, and tap on the route button if you would like to search by destination. So first of all, type in the departure point, and after that the destination. Click on the search button down below, and then you will be able to find the relevant information about the flight that you have selected, if there is any available flight in terms of your departure point and your destination. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.